Breaking into the tech world without having technical knowledge and career gaps felt impossible, but I knew cybersecurity was the field I wanted to be in. Instead of feeling stuck, I have decided to take a step forward and invest in the right learning. That's when I enrolled in the Cybersecurity Expert Master's program by Simplilearn, and it has changed everything for me. Hi, I'm Banshri from Hyderabad. For a long time, I was not sure to which direction I have to choose professionally after the career gap. I started looking into cybersecurity as every industry is dependent on it. Even though I'm from non-technical background and no prior experience, I want to upskill, build a foundation and create a career for myself. When I first started exploring cybersecurity, I honestly don't know where to begin. There is so much information out there, it can really get overwhelming. I needed something structured, something that would guide me step by step from the basics for a job ready. While I was researching courses, Simplilearn came as one of the top options. What caught my attention was the way course was structured. It felt planned and professional, with live sessions, recorded content, and real industry experts as instructors. The blended learning approach really stood out to me. Coming from a non-technical background, I genuinely expected to be very intimidating. But the way the course is structured and explained is much easier than I imagined. The live sessions with the industry experts was something that I was looking forward. It was not just theoretical. The instructors has given the real examples so that my understanding would be much better. And having recorded videos means I can revisit anything at my own pace without feeling like I was falling behind. Now the biggest shift I can see is my confidence and clarity. Now I can understand this domain, the roles that are there within, and how I can grow in this field. This is not just about gaining the knowledge, it's like a feeling that how I can grow here and build my career. This feeling didn't exist before taking the course. My long-term goal is to grow in designated role within the cybersecurity, exploring different specializations in this field. I want to keep building on the foundation the course has given to me, gain hands-on experience, and eventually take advanced responsibilities in this domain. If you're someone who feels like your background is holding you back, trust me, it doesn't have to. Me coming from non-technical background, career gaps, I still made it. It's never too late to redirect your path, and I'm glad that I've taken that step.